For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Nikon Z30. It's more than just a camera, it's an experience, /N. As someone who's been in the photography game for a while, I've seen my fair share of cameras come and go, /N. But when I laid eyes on the Nikon Z30, something caught my attention. It's not your run-of-the-mill mirrorless camera, but rather a beast that combines the power of a full-frame sensor with the compactness of a crop sensor, /N. Therefore, you might be wondering why this should matter to you. After all, what's so special about another camera, /N? Well, let me tell you, my friend, this one's different. And I'm not just saying that because Nikon's got a reputation for making some top-notch gear, /N. So, are you tired of lugging around heavy equipment, only to have it weigh you down in the field? Do you wish there was a camera that could deliver professional-grade results without breaking the bank, /N? Well, wish no more, because the Nikon Z30 has got your back. But what really caught my attention wasn't just its impressive specs or features list, /N. It's how it makes me feel when I'm using it. It's like a whole new world opens up and suddenly anything is possible, /N. Therefore, let's take a closer look at this camera and see if it's worth the hype. Deep dive, next 700 words. So what exactly does the Nikon Z30 have to offer? For starters, its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor is more than capable of capturing stunning images in a variety of lighting conditions, /N. But it's not just about the sensor. The camera also features Nikon's EXPED7 image processing engine, which helps to deliver fast and accurate autofocus performance, /N. And if you're concerned about video quality, don't be. The Z30 can shoot up to 4K at 120p, making it perfect for content creators who need smooth, cinematic footage, /N. But what really sets this camera apart is its compact size and weight. Weighing in at just 1 pound, it's easy to take on the go without feeling like you're lugging around a brick, /N. And with its vari-angle touchscreen LCD, navigating menus and adjusting settings is a breeze, even when shooting from awkward angles, /N. Therefore, whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking for your next upgrade, the Nikon Z30 should definitely be on your radar. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into its features and see what makes this camera so special. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z30 is its ability to shoot in a variety of modes, including stills, video, and even interval shooting, /N. But what really caught my attention was its advanced autofocus system, which uses deep learning-based algorithms to deliver fast and accurate focus, even in low light conditions, /N. And if you're concerned about battery life, don't be. The Z30 can shoot for up to 460 shots on a single charge, making it perfect for long shoots or extended periods of use, /N. But what really makes this camera shine is its intuitive design and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, navigating menus and adjusting settings is a breeze thanks to Nikon's user-friendly interface. Rehook after 130 words. So are you still wondering whether the Nikon Z30 is worth the investment, /N? Well, let me ask you this, what would it be worth to you if you could capture stunning images every time, without ever having to worry about equipment failures or subpar performance, /N? Because that's exactly what this camera promises: professional-grade results in a compact, user-friendly package. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of its key features and see if they live up to the hype. Resolution, final 300 words. In conclusion, the Nikon Z30 is an incredible piece of equipment that delivers on its promises, /N. With its advanced autofocus system, compact size, and user-friendly interface, it's perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike, /N. And with its affordable price point, there's never been a better time to upgrade your photography game. Therefore, don't wait any longer, click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon, /N. Trust me, you won't regret it.